Connecticut only requires 8 hours of classroom education to get your license. But if you want to be a truly prepared and confident driver, the 30-hour comprehensive driver education course goes much further. This course starts with the state-required 8-hour drug and alcohol safety program and then expands into 22 additional hours of advanced driver education. By the end, you'll have a deep, well-rounded understanding of everything from traffic controls and vehicle physics to highway driving, adverse weather, emergency situations, and vehicle ownership. There are 15 two-hour sessions in total. All classes are taught live via Zoom by state-certified instructors, and closed caption translation is available for accessibility. You can enroll at any time, but you must be at least 16 years old to begin. No learner's permit is required to start, and the course helps prepare you for your written permit exam. Here's an important benefit for teen drivers. If you're 16 or 17 and you complete this 30-hour course, along with 8 hours of private driving lessons, your mandatory permit wait time before the road test is reduced from 180 days to 120 days. Adults 18 and older have a standard 90-day wait regardless of the course. Scheduling is flexible. Weekday sessions are available mornings, afternoons, and evenings. Weekend options are available on Sundays. Accelerated 2-week summer programs are also offered. Teen students may take up to 2 hours on a school day and up to 4 hours on a non-school day per state law. Adult students have no daily limit. Once you complete all sessions, pass your quizzes, and sign your attendance forms, we'll issue your e-deck. Connecticut's required digital completion certificate. It'll be in your student portal. Have everything finished at least 5 days before your road test. Driving lessons can be added at any time. The next street, the easiest road to your license.